learners, welcome back to Bright Start Education Hub. So in this lesson we're going to be blending out the sounds or the alphabet mix. So their sounds, not the letters. We know originally they make A to Z, but we're going to be blending out the sounds. Are you ready? Let's go. A says ah, 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 ah for alligator. B says b, 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 b for bunny. C says k, 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 k for cat. D says d, 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 d for dog. E says eh, 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 eh for elephant. F says f, 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 f for fox. G says g, 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 g for goat. H says for horse. I says E, 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 E for iguana. J says J, 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 J for jaguar. K says K, 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 K for kitten. L says for lion. M says for mouse. N says for nose. O says for octopus. P says for pig. Q says for queen. R says for reindeer. S says s for sheep. T says t for tiger. U says for urchin. V says for vulture. W says for wombat. X says x, 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 x for xerus. Y says y for yak. And lastly, Z says z, 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 z for zebra. So which letter and sound were you finding difficult to blend before? Go through this, watch it over and over again, and you'll be able to grab the sound. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!